Hi guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger notifications easily and fast. So first thing you want to do to fix the notifications in your Facebook Messenger is go to the settings and then go to the apps, click on Messenger, and now click on this option here. It's called force stop to stop the app, and then go to the notifications, enable all the notifications, go back, click on the permissions, make sure also to enable all the permissions, and then go back, and the last thing you want to do here is click on the storage, click on clear cache, and now all what you want to do next is restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.